The Greater Goods High Capacity Scale, featuring food-grade, aesthetically rich stainless steel, 4 unique units of measurement, as accurate gets single sensor, a high-definition color display, and down-to-the-gram resolution. But really, you're here for the 22-pound capacity. That's a bowling ball and a pair of shoes, or a sledgehammer, or a stack of vaguely French books, or a set of uncanny lawn ornaments, or every kitchen scale we've ever made. The Greater Goods High Capacity Kitchen Scale. Not just for food.